Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. My name is Alif Muzhaffar bin Roslan. I am from IM246 and my ID is 2021 323 127. In this video, I will be explaining in detail about NFC. The reason why I choose this topic because NFC is now used widely around the world. So I would like to enlighten you all about NFC. So without further ado, let us get right into this topic. What is NFC? As you all know, NFC or near field communication is a type of short-range wireless connectivity that allows devices to communicate with one another when they are touched or brought within a few centimeters of one another via magnetic field induction. This covers credit card authentication, granting physical access, transmitting tiny files, and launching more powerful wireless networks. In other words, it builds on and extends the work of existing ecosystems and standards around the radio frequency ID tags, or RFID in short. With more dynamic features made possible by modern smartphones, NFC expands RFID and contactless capabilities. Currently, NFC chips and applications are supported by all current phones. Using NFC makes it easier to load multiple cards into a single phone for payments and for other usage. Did you know NFC can only communicate over short distances, which has significant consequences for the security or physical access? To make a purchase or open a door, a user must be within 10 cm of an NFC terminal. The fundamental operations of receiving and responding to NFC requests do not need any power. This enables implementation in objects without batteries, for example, credit cards. There are several benefits of using NFC. The first one is NFC use induction coupling for data transmission over radio waves. So it means that the fields fades out much more quickly. This is helpful for preventing spying on private talks involving credit card transactions, door access codes, or other sensitive informations. Next, the second benefit of NFC breakthrough is the use of contactless credit card processing that is encrypted. Due to public key cryptography, the card may produce a unique authentication code for each transaction without disclosing the card's internal data or the 3-digit back code. There are a few examples of NFC use cases that people use in their daily life, such as mobile payments like Google Pay and also Apple Pay. Next is transit card payments. For example, to pay for toll roads and also the metro tickets, the train station tickets. Next, using NFC, we can access authentication for doors or offices to make sure that only authorized personnel can enter the room. Next, with NFC, people can make a check-in in venue or location to alert their friends on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. The device pairing smartphones and headsets by tapping them together can also be achieved by using NFC. So we can acknowledge that NFC is super convenient as it is small and lightweight in size. Every breakthrough has its own limitations. So I will talk about the limitations of NFC. The first one is it is very short range of only a few centimeters. Preludes many use case because of its size. The strength of the signal is weaker than any other counterparts. Next is it is slower than other protocols such as RFID, EMV, Bluetooth, or QR codes. The third one is it can limit usability for apps that require sensitive data on a smartphone. It is not as universal and easy to integrate into venue ticketing apps as QR codes because NFC can only do specific tasks that are set by the card. Last but not least, it is not suitable for location tracking because it does not possess the capability of accessing to GPS as it was only a simple apparatus. So, we have reached the end of the video. To summarize, the use of NFC has been widespread because of their simplicity and it is cost effective. NFC, as any other methods of payment, also have its advantages and disadvantages, but the advantages outperforms the disadvantages or the limitations by miles. That said, I hope that you all gain a new knowledge on NFC or near field communication, and it is hoped that this video will help you all in some ways in the near future. And that brings us to the end. I would like to thank you for your time and attention today. I really appreciate it. My name is Alif Muzhaffar bin Roslan. Thank you.